morning, students. All we are talking about atoms and molecules, chapter number 3, formulae of simple compounds. In my previous classes, I have told you that how formulae of a compound is derived. Few more important points. For example, when we express formula of aluminium hydroxide, the name of such compound is aluminium hydroxide. Valency of aluminium ion is 3 and hydroxyl ion is 1. It is called as hydroxyl ion. HYDROXYL. And it is aluminium ion. Now you have taken LCM and of 3 and 1. And Al has 3 valency and OH has 1 valency. What will be formula? Formula will be, and the LCM will be 3, and 3 is divided by 3, that only 1, 3 1 is 3, only 1 Al atom will be taken, only 1 aluminium, and 3 is divided by 1, then 3, 1 3 is 3, AlOH whole thrice of this 3 express that 3 atom of oxygen and 3 atom of hydrogen are joined together to form OH minus. इसमें 3 ऑक्सीजन और 3 हाइड्रोजन को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है. ये छोटी छोटी बात है, इसका मतलब यही होता है. तो Al चाहे आप लिखते हैं Al फिर O3 और H3, तो वो 3 कॉमन हो गया, उसको आप आउट ऑफ ब्रैकेट लिखते हैं. That express that 3 oxygen and 3 hydrogen atoms are joined together and forming hydroxyl ion, which is attached with the aluminium ion. Further, some more questions are given. In in-text question. Question number 1 is, write down the formulae of sodium oxide, aluminium oxide, sodium sulfate, magnesium hydroxide. I have already explained all these questions in our examples. Sodium oxide, Na and O. Valency of Na is 1 and oxygen is 2, minus 2. Valency of sodium is 1 and oxygen is 2. Take LCM of 1 and 2, you will find 2, and 2 is divided by 1, that will be 2. That expressed as 2 atoms of sodium are used to make the such molecule, and 2 is divided by 2, you will after 1, that expressed that only 1 oxygen atom is taking place in bond formation. And the molecular formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. The name of such compound is sodium oxide. Next one is aluminium chloride. It was the first part. Now second part, aluminium chloride. Second, aluminium chloride. Al and Cl. Two different atoms are taking place in bond formation. The valency of Cl is 1 and valency of Al is 3. I have already explained it in various examples. To take LCM of 3 and 1, we will find 3. To derive the formula, only one Al is expressed. Derive the formula of aluminum chloride. And 3 is divided by 1, we will find 3. That is 3Cl will be attached with 1 Al and the formula will be AlCl3 for aluminum chloride. Any problem? As I think so, there will be no problem at all. Already explained such topic. Third one is the sodium sulfide. Third one is sodium sulfide. Sodium and sulfur, two different atoms are taking place in bond formation. Valency of sodium is 1 and sulfur is -2. Valency of sodium is 1 and sulfur is 2. According to cross multiplication, LCM of both is 2. 2 is divided by 1. That means 2 sodium atoms. 2 is divided by 1, that is 2. 2 sodium atoms will take place in bond formation, and 2 is divided by 2, the answer is 1. It expresses that only 1 sulfur atom will take place in the chemical bond formation to form sodium sulfide. Any problem? If any problem is being created, then you can ask with me. Now fourth one. Fourth is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium and OH. Magnesium shows 2 valency, OH 1 valency. I have already told you. I told you about the LCM, how the LCM is taken and how the molecular formula is derived. Valency of Mg is 2, cross multiplication. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 2 is divided by 2. Only 1 magnesium ion. 1 is answer. Only 1 magnesium and two is divided by 1. Answer will be 2. That express 2 OH. 2 hydroxyl ion will be attached with magnesium, and my molecular formula or unit formula of magnesium hydroxide is MgOH whole twice. It expresses 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms are joined by one another, whom are expressing valency 1 and 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen atoms, whom are called as hydroxyl ions, are joined by magnesium and forming magnesium hydroxide. Further questions? Question number 2 at next day. Thank you very much. See you again.